Mensina nyakula no entre Shamima Matuamo ako katande nabawura anse anyebo aplare. She has a poem to recite for Kaga Foundation, Wuripe and Sans Royal Lodge and Savannah Regional House of Chiefs. Shamima Matuamo nana. Mensina nyakula no nsomo.
Yiram Galbagana. My name is Shamima Matuamo. I am here to recite a special poem, specially dedicated to these special entities: Wuripe and Sans Royal Lodge, Kaga Foundation, and Savannah Regional House of Chiefs. You are a godsend, a jewel in the Savannah, pride of the North, a precious gift to Gonjaland. Wuripe and Sans Royal Lodge, that has come to rekindle the dying spirit of our culture in our youth. Your unceasing spirit of generosity has lightened our path through WUSACUF. Your sharing bounty of immeasurable generosity has bestowed the flamboyant culture of Gonjaland to the rest of the world in style. Mana Achokodim. Wuripe and Sans Royal Lodge, an entity with such a big heart for Gonjaland's progress. Where in Gonjaland can we find your kind? Highly dedicated and patriotic sons of the soil. Binyasunukumunibi, Bimushe. Wuripe and Sans Royal Lodge. Heavens, under Rajakpa, Bubunano Umwo, reward you in million folds, and reward Gonjaland with more of your kind. Abore and the flagging, Asankushu, Baraka, Anehoma, Aneatuma. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my plan. Shamima Matuamo.